Programat Furnaces. Part 3. Initial Startup and Operation. In this part, you will learn how to start and operate your furnace. Furthermore, you will see how to select programs and how to start and edit firing programs. The on-off switch is at the rear of your Programat furnace. To switch the furnace on, turn the switch to the on position. When you start up the furnace for the first time, you will need to define a number of basic settings, such as the language, the temperature format, and the current date. Simply follow the instructions on the display. The furnace will conduct a series of self-tests. This process may take a few minutes. After having successfully entered the basic settings, the home screen is displayed. All the functions of the Programat are managed from this screen. The furnace is now in standby mode. Let's take a brief look at the operating elements of the furnace. The furnace is primarily operated via the touchscreen. The most important functions are activated using the membrane-sealed keypads. The Open Furnace Head key opens the furnace head. Please note that the furnace head cannot be opened while a program is running. The Close Furnace Head key closes the furnace again. By pressing the Start key, you can start a selected program. The Start LED lights up when a new program has been started. With the Stop key, you can pause or abort a program. Pressing Stop once pauses the program. In this case, the LED flashes. Pressing Stop twice aborts the program. By pressing the P key, you can change directly to the program last selected. Furnaces with the Programat infrared technology have an additional IRT key. This key allows you to turn the infrared image on or off during the pre-drying and closing mode. By pressing the power saving key, you will activate the power saving mode. If you want to quit this mode, simply press any key or touch the screen. By pressing the home key, you will return from any screen directly to the home screen. However, this works only if no program is running. Now let's have a closer look at the touchscreen. The display of the furnace is divided into three parts: the information bar, the main screen, and the navigation bar. The information bar provides the most important information about the current furnace temperature and the selected program. In the main screen, the individual firing programs can be selected and edited, and settings can be changed. During a firing process, the firing curve is displayed. On the navigation bar, you can move through and quit the different menus. Now we will focus again on the home screen. The home screen is one of the main operating elements of the new Programat. You can select all the functions of the furnace from this screen. Simply use the arrow buttons to toggle between the individual pages of the home screen. Let's look at the first page. On this page, you can select any of the firing programs. Generally, the furnace offers three different program areas. The Ivoclar Vivadent programs are equipped with the optimal processing parameters for Ivoclar Vivadent materials X Factory. The individual programs can be individually adjusted as the name suggests. If a USB flash drive is connected to the furnace, additional programs are available in this area. Each program area consists of different program groups. In the Ivoclar Vivadent programs, the groups are divided according to their materials. In the individual programs, you can name the groups yourself. Each program group consists of 20 firing programs. Use the arrow buttons to easily move through the program groups and programs. You can select the firing program in 3 steps. First, select the program area. Then, select the program group. Finally, select the desired firing program. You can now start or edit a firing program. If you want to start a program, open the furnace head now. Place the objects into the furnace. The furnace automatically monitors the temperature of the firing chamber. Please note that you should only start a program when the OSD display lights up green. Press the Start key to start the firing process. The display shows the current status of the active firing process. The furnace head opens automatically at the end of the firing process. Remove the object only when the acoustic signal sounds. If you want to edit a program, press the parameter to be changed in the program screen. In this example, we are going to change the firing temperature T by 10 degrees Celsius. Enter the new value. Confirm your entry with the green button. You have successfully changed the firing temperature. In the Ivoclar Vivadent programs, the symbol next to the parameter informs you that you have changed a processing parameter preset by Ivoclar Vivadent. Advanced program parameters, such as the standby temperature or the program write protection, can be entered in the Options menu. Press the Options button. This shows, for example, how to activate the write protection. By pressing the back button, you will leave the Options menu. The write protection symbol is now displayed next to the Options button. Now, let's take a look at the additional functions of the furnace. Press the Home key and return to the home screen. Depending on the furnace model, additional functions are available on the pages following the home screen. These functions include multimedia features, which will allow you to play videos and music files and view photos. With the individual settings option, such as language, melody, and display brightness, you can optimally adapt the furnace to your needs. Please refer to the operating instructions for more detailed information. The menus relating to the temperature calibration, data backup, software update, and device diagnosis are explained in the next section.